far now, the dancing woman don't land for your front again. Let's go. Oh yeah. Now, Madam Peco Africa, nice stand gidigba like this. And you know, say if I come like this, I know they give you anything apart from goodness. The Christmas is already rich, and for Mercy Divine Properties Limited, since October, now we bring Christmas package come your domot. So how far? You don't dial my number, I bet you forget. Make I remind you. The number they always did for the screen of this video, or make you quickly call 090-3429-6519. If you call me, I get 3 major packages for you for this Christmas. 1, you buy from any of our layouts inside New Banana Highland that is going for 7 million naira only. Secondly, we get Primerose spot wey na service estate wey get swimming pool and all the orishi wey dey inside Gulf Estate, Sun City Estate, Paradise Estate. You see all this estate for Lekki and for Port-Harcourt. E dey inside Primerose spot, and that one currently a plot is 12 million naira. And right now, come for inside Woji, we get one ogbonge plot wey get COO wey don already dey first, just in between Paradise Estate and Sun City Estate, and it's going for 35 million. But if you come Madam Peco Africa, depending on how many plots you dey buy, I go use my power, you understand? So make you quickly they call me, you get me back, and the number again is 090-3429-6519. Madam Peco dey wait for you, and I hear now the gallant all the way from Mercy Divine Properties. They wait for you.